Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing boundaries, Scope 1, Scope 2, and which Scope 3 categories matter most to you. Gather primary activity data now: liters of fuel, kWh electricity, kilometers of travel, invoice dollar for purchased goods. Assign a responsible owner in each department and set the reporting period for consistency. Once done, prepare a simple data inventory spreadsheet and note gaps. This gets you into action instead of waiting for perfect inputs. You now translate activity data into emissions by applying emission factors. For each line, liters of diesel, kWh, or tons of material, multiply activity by the factor to get CO2e. Use consistent units and convert gases to CO2e so you can sum them. Make sure to document all assumptions and proxies. That preserves auditability. Once you have totals per category, reconcile against expected ranges and flag outliers for follow-up. This prevents mistaken aggregations later. You finish by aggregating emissions into Scope 1, Scope 2, and Scope 3 totals and prepare a concise report showing trends and key drivers. Use the results to set reduction targets and prioritize interventions that give the biggest CO2e savings per dollar. Make sure to run a quality assurance pass. Reconcile totals to original data, investigate anomalies, and document corrections. If results look implausible, recheck activity units, emission factor selection, and any double counting. That single troubleshooting step fixes most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.